Are you a Jamaican citizen with a first degree? The University of Birmingham and Jamaica National Foundation Legacy Scholarship is enabling one outstanding Jamaican with a superb opportunity to undertake a one-year master's degree at the enviable University of Birmingham Business School, commencing September 2015. The scholar must have been accepted for one of the 19 master's programs offered by the university's business school. Tuition fees, travel costs, accommodation and a contribution to living expenses will be covered by the scholarship. Applicants must have a sterling academic background, must have graduated in the last 2 years from a tertiary institution accredited by the University Council of Jamaica, must be a Jamaican citizen by birth and a resident in Jamaica at the time of application, must demonstrate excellence in extracurricular activities in their profession or through volunteerism and service to others, must be able to satisfy entry requirements for the United Kingdom, must be suitable as an ambassador and representative for both the University of Birmingham and Jamaica National while in Birmingham. Are you that scholarship candidate? For further information, prospective candidates should visit jnfoundation.com or jnbs.com/scholarships or birmingham.ac.uk/schools/business. The University of Birmingham and Jamaica National Foundation Legacy Scholarship. We go beyond to take your education further. Endorsed by the I Believe initiative.